Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Discord app when it's not working properly. So if Discord keeps crashing, lagging, or just won't open on your phone, follow along step by step and we'll get it fixed. Alright, let's dive in. First, open the App Store on iPhone or the Play Store on Android. Search for Discord and check if there's an update available. If you see an update, go ahead and install it. Using the latest version can instantly fix crashes, bugs, and performance issues. If updating doesn't solve the problem, don't worry, there's another quick fix. Open your phone's settings. Scroll down to find and tap on Apps. Then go to Manage Apps. Here, search for Discord app. Once it appears, tap on it. Inside the app info page, tap Force Stop and tap OK to confirm. Next, go to Storage, then tap Clear Data and choose Clear Cache and then confirm. Don't worry, this will not delete your account, messages, or data. It only removes temporary files that may be causing crashes or lag. If you followed all these steps and Discord still isn't working, here's the final fix. Uninstall the Discord app, then reinstall it from the Play Store or App Store. A fresh install helps remove hidden bugs or corrupted files from the previous version, and your Discord app should start working normally again. And that's it. While there's no single fix button, these steps are the best and fastest way to fix Discord when it's not working. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more quick and useful tech guides like this one.